Hey everyone, today we'll dive into how to get started with Ecwid for dropshipping. Let's jump right into it. Ecwid is a powerful platform that lets you set up online stores and sell anywhere, whether it's through your own website or social media platforms like Instagram. You can even integrate it with popular marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Plus, managing your store is easy. You can run everything straight from your phone using Ecwid's mobile application. To get started, head over to any browser on your PC and navigate to ecwid.com. Click Get Started for free at the top and sign up using your email, Google, or other options. So I've used Google for signing up, but feel free to sign up using whatever method works best for you. Now, let's talk dropshipping. Ecwid allows you to create a store and add products from various suppliers such as Alibaba and AliExpress. In dropshipping, you don't hold inventory yourself. Instead, you are the middleman between the customer and the supplier. It's simple to set up your site and start selling directly from these platforms through Ecwid. Once you have created your account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the left side, you will see the tab for sales, where you can manage your orders, and catalog, where you list your products. You can organize your products into different categories and even add features like gift cards. Next, it's time to build your site. Click on the website option here and click on Edit Site button. Now you can edit the design, add product pages, and set up your store exactly the way you want it. You will find plenty of customization options for creating a professional looking website. So to add dropshipping products, click on the Applications tab in the bottom left on your screen. Once you click on Application, you can search in the Application section for AliExpress. Now once you search for AliExpress, you're going to find this sub dropshipping application, which is going to allow you to connect AliExpress directly to your Ecwid store and start adding AliExpress products to your Ecwid store. So what you want to do is just click on the install button over here, and once our application is installed, we'll just log on to our AliExpress account and we'll get started with linking our products or adding our products to Ecwid. And as you guys can see, this is our sub dashboard. So you have the navigation panel on the left side. You can click on find products. Now you're going to click on the sourcing button over here, and you will have multiple platforms that allow you to find products you want. Now you can search for any products here. So what I will do is navigate to the sourcing panel, and you'll have to basically drop a picture of the product that you want to search for. So for example, I will navigate to alibaba.com and I will search for dresses, hit enter. Now I will see all the products related to dresses. So you'll have to select the product. So I'll select, let's say this one. So select the product that you want to sell on your store, and I will just take a screenshot of this image. And once you have saved that image, you'll have to go back to SUP. Click on this space right here, upload that screenshot that you just took, click on open. Now we'll have to just wait, and now you can see all the products that you can import that are similar to the picture that you added. Also, you can take a look at the product section, click on products, and you have the queue, listed, connection, inventory, wholesale list, and analytics option available at the left of your screen. So you can see and select any of these tools under products and get the best out of SUP in no time. So SUP has given us these products at this price point. So you can choose the similar product or the one that fits you best. So let's say I like this product. So I'll click on the import button over that product. Now click on confirm option. Once you click confirm, the product will be queued up. Once the product is in queue, you can begin to change the listing. So go to the product section, click on queue, and we have listed products here. And we have our listed products here, as well as your connection. You'll have to make sure your store is connected first. So we'll have to navigate to a store section, and you can link your store to Shopify, Shopee, WooCommerce, but we'll have to link it to Ecwid. So select Ecwid and click on the reauthorize button, add your store to Ecwid, and that's how you link your store. So we'll move ahead and browse our products. So it's taking a little time for the product to be imported. So you can just click on this list to your store button here, and on this page scroll down and make sure the images, SKU, size, color, and all the attributes of the products are exactly as you need, and click on list it now button. This will take a little bit time. So you'll have to enter your selling price. So navigate to the enter your price page and add a price. Now click on list it now again. So I've entered my selling price as $17. As you can see, it has been listed successfully. So I'll click on view it on a store. Now when I click on view it on a store link, this is going to open my website automatically. That is my Ecwid's website. So my product has been listed on my Ecwid store. It's really that simple and easy to get started with dropshipping on Ecwid. Now you can see the product and my store is also live. So that's the simple way you can use Ecwid for dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.